Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this text effect. Now, some of the numbers, well, the angles I'll be using will be the same, but some of the depths will be different because I'm using such a big text. So if you'll go to Windows and Dockers and Transform or Transformation, depending on which one you have, which version, and go to Skew and type in 30 degrees and hit Apply. Then go right here and rotate it 30 degrees. You're going to get that angle. We can close this Docker now. Now I'm going to use the block shadow tool. And because I'm using such a big font, I'm going to make my depth 1 inch and hit enter. But then I'm going to rotate it or put the angle at 270 degrees, which is going to bring it kind of straight down. I'm going to go to Object, break the block shadow apart. I'm going to go ahead and color in this block shadow just so we can see a little difference in it. Now get your text again, go to block shadow. This time do 2 inches and also 270 degrees. Go up to Object, break the block shadow apart. Get back to your pick tool and grab that block shadow. And what we're going to have to do is go to Object, Order, Backup Page. And then you can see that third shadow, and we're going to make it just a little bit darker. Then grab your text again, block shadow, and we're going to go 3 inches, 270 degrees. I think I messed up. 3 inches. 270 degrees, go to break the block shadow apart, grab our last block shadow, go up to Object, Order, Backup Page again, and then you could play around with whatever colors you want. They're all broken apart, and it's almost easier if you zoom in. And let's just make them all I like that orange. Let's make them all orange. You just got to kind of imagine where they're at. So let's make them all orange. We're going to take the top and leave it orange, but we're going to grab the second one. And we're going to hold down the control button. We're going to add a little black. I'm just clicking it, just a little bit of black. Get the third one, maybe a few more clicks of black. And then the bottom one, holding down the control button, and you don't have to use black. You can use any color just to make a difference in the variation of colors. And then as always, if you print it, let's print it on a blues t-shirt this time. And it'll just really make it stand out. Object, Order, Backup Page. I mean, look at that. Really makes it stand out. And it's a pretty unique effect. And just for instance, if you did the text, and let's go ahead and use that same text, which is Arial Black. Sometimes you have to click off of it, click back on it. And if you want to go back to the Docker and the Transform, this time we could go -30 and then 30 here. Well, actually, maybe even -30. That kind of gets the same thing. Let's go -30. And so you got to go in the complete opposite way now. So it's a lot easier, especially if you're doing multiple text and multiple words and you wanted them at the same angle. You could do it this way. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.